The first aid kit, important bit of kit to have if you're going to be spending any time in the outdoors, walking, hiking or whatever. And I've got myself this one from a company called Lifesystems. You can pick these up from their website or on Amazon. So we'll take a quick look at it, have a look at the pouch we get it in and the contents. So we get this nice compact little pouch with all the stuff in. This did come sealed out of the packaging it came in. There was like a cable tie securing it shut. So on the top you have this loop, you could hang it on something, and then on the back we have a belt buckle loop, and you could also use that to store it on the outside of a bag as well. And we'll go inside and have a look at some of the contents. So we get some drawing pins, bin them. We get some tape. Okay, so we'll go through all the contents. So we get a pair of scissors and a pair of tweezers. We also get some Burn Soothe cream, 2 bandages, a wide open wove bandage and the crepe bandage, a blister plaster. We get some steri wipes. We also get some gloves, powder free nitrile gloves, some plasters and a sterile adhesive dressing. We actually get 2 of them, and we get a small dressing as well. And with it all packed back in there, you can see there is room in the bag to put in a few additions of your own. So what I'm going to do is stick some tablets in there, some antihistamines, some painkillers. Yeah, you see there's plenty of room in there, so you can add a few things of your own. It also comes with some information leaflets, some basic first aid tips, but yeah, bin them. If you do spend a lot of time outdoors, walking, hiking, it'd be worth going on a basic first aid course. So there we have a nice compact pocket first aid kit. I got this off Amazon. I think I paid £15 for it. So yeah, bargain.